Innovators, idealists, and visionaries. The journalists of tomorrow need a place to start today. They need the tools to create and the inspiration to get them there. At Wayne State University, you can hone your talents and find what drives you. To help get you started, we offer a variety of scholarships and a team that will help get you where you need to be. Our journalism program has the tools and know-how to help you launch into your career. Like the Detroit chapter of the Society of Professional Journalists that we interact with directly. You'll find Wayne State nestled in the heart of Detroit, where opportunities for fun and experience are all around you. The best part, you'll get to meet with people from around the world who have come here to join with you and become the next generation of journalists. Whether you want to work alongside us in Detroit, go across the country, or even beyond our borders, we invite you to work with faculty that not only have the desire to guide you to greatness, but the expertise to back it up. After a long day, you can experience Motown and immerse yourself in our diverse culture by catching a game, touring world-class museums, and checking out festivals year-round. So, while you take the time to decide where you want to start the next step of your journey, we'll be ready to jump into a new adventure with you. Join us at Wayne State and become a warrior.